welcome to my channel, Jerry Lee,
Now I will not talk a lot
JLM.
in the video because I do
Voiceover.
yeah voice over. Because I remember I do in the video and then when I do big stuff,
Yeah.
my voice funny.
That's how that's my son's thing. He listens to everything in 2 speed. So when he watches YouTube video, it's 2 times.
Well, I'll try to see if I can find something for my daughter, and we'll buy it.
I have a Jerry stuff too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
I don't know if she still does her own nails. We'll see. Her nails be extra.
So the one I wrote her number down so I don't have to search for the number. Have 0, 5, 4, 5, 9.
I got 0, the 5 right here, the 4 right here, and the 5 again, and the 9, there's the 9 right here, the 9. Every 9 right up low. I'm forced to have it. Why are you crossing on me? I don't know. I'm tired. You have to battery? Yeah, I get off at 10, but I have to count the drawer and close everything, so I left at like 10:15. So that's how it is every day. Friday. Okay, so look for 30 minutes, 30 seconds. Remember the button gravy? Okay, hold on, wait. Okay. Get only one, now move the light. Move the light to don't move the hand. Move the light only. There you go. Sorry. Over here trying to give myself a quicker fingernail. Okay, I get that. Okay, go ahead. Turn on the light. Where I go? Are we on the video, okay? Okay. Because your side would be funny. I will do it. Speed fast.
Ready? The orange is the nail polish.
Yeah. I
That's
tried
funny.
to, but it's too
No, I
big.
know. I didn't even put that much on. I did what the box told me. You use 1 layer on the first one, and then you use 2 on the other one, but I only did 1 and 1, thinking it wasn't going to be that bad.
Okay, go to the light.
Okay, how short? Here?
Can I do a little more?
Shorter?
Just a little.
Because remember we
Oh, yeah,
we
you
still
got
file
it.
too.
That's fine. Yeah. That's right. I forgot you said that. I keep forgetting that step.
So this is short enough.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Nhỏ nhỏ thôi, tôi đang thâu.
it, no soup. Bye. See you. Go. Oh, okay.
You know, 3 times? Cool. Here's time thing. Okay, go.
I don't know when I'm going to post this video, but because today it's a different video. If I have time, I edit and I will be on Saturday.
Okay.
Saturday or Sunday.
I get notifications when you post something.
Okay.
My son just thinks it's cool. I'm on the internet. He's 7. He doesn't care. But he watches YouTube, so don't be surprised if you find him following your channel just to find my fingernails. He likes colors. He likes designs. I keep telling him to draw something for you, so that way you can make it and he can see it on my finger.
Okay, go. Now I start to do a design.
Yeah.
I am not professional or the designer, so I try my best to do her design similar with the picture in her phone. So now look at that. It not look good from my eye, so I try to clean it up, and I have to redo it again.
You guys are never busy. Every time I'm here, they're always busy. They are? Mm-hmm. I guess I came on a day that it wasn't. I said, I'm going to choose here. Are you ready? I just want to clean and polish. Yeah. Okay. We do that whole process. I think it's from his shoes. So.
You know, I wanted to do a fall leaf one. I'm like, dude, those are probably stickers. I think it was a sticker fall leaf. It looked like a leaf. And I chose not to do that because I'm like, this is probably a sticker. She'll probably kill me if I ask for this.
Older sister or younger sister?
Young.
So younger?
Mm-hmm.
to do a flower from the gel a little bottle because the petal is gel, so we gotta put in the gel machine right away before the
That yellow's better than
petals.
the yellow I
Yeah.
have on my toes. I like that yellow better. Let me see.
She like to put a yellow dot in the middle of the flowers. Now he sees the bigger flower. No, it's not a bigger flower, but this is for me not easy. You will look to see what happened. Normally I do in this kind of flower with a regular polish, but this one I do a gel polish. I don't know what kind of the flower is this, but a lot of petals. Does that look like a daisy? If you guys still watching that I'm doing a flower right now, thank you so much for being very patient, and thank you very much for support my channel. I am so hungry, but I try my best to do the flower design for her. Okay.
You see it?
Oh yeah, right now I put on the
That big purple one that's in the wall. It's the big one.
One more time, go to
I'm sorry. I just totally realized I need it. Thank
You
you.
know why I'm ringing the bell? Because I'm so happy. We almost finished.
I just realized I have wrong
everybody.
debit card. But it's okay. I'm so mad about that right now. In one time, you have a party that comes here, because boy, he's something. Want this hand too? Okay. Here, give it to me.
Yay, finished. This is how her nail come in now. This picture on the left before, in the middle finished, and on the right hand side my face. Thank you everybody being support me and watching my video, and I hope you guys continue to support me again. Okay, thank you and bye. I see you next time again.